Okay, back with you with another video, but this one's a book review. And this book is called Stocking Up. You're not going to find it on Amazon. You're probably going to have to check eBay, and you're going to have to look for a used book. And this was brought to my attention by a guy named R.B. Lucky. And he needs some subs, so click the link below and go sub up. He's trying to hit that 1,000. But this particular book, if you're into prepping or canning or, you know, anything like that, you're going to find it quite interesting. I mean, it talks about everything from dairy products to meat to fish. I mean, you name it, it's got it. And that was the amazing thing about it. Now, R.B. Lucky, he's been prepping for so long, he just doesn't realize how much stuff he's got sitting over there that is pretty much a gold mine that a lot of people don't even know about. And you take, for example, over here, it talks about the vitamins inside your vegetables. You know, how much you need, how much cauliflower, potatoes, spinach. I mean, it goes into quite detail, you know, about your vitamins and everything, which will come in quite handy if something does go down. You know, vitamin C. I mean, it's just amazing how much information is in this book and how much work it took to make a book like this. I don't think, you know, the new books, people just don't put the work into things anymore like they used to. And these older books, I mean, canning's canning. It's not going to change, right? You know, it's not much for pictures. Got some black and white pictures. But this is quite an old book. But it was really cheap. I mean, I think I got it on eBay for like, I don't know, I think it was like $7. And then something for shipping. So if you're a prepper, or if you can, or if you're into a gardening or doing all that good stuff, then you might want to have a look around for this book. What's it got here? Yeah, it talks about dill, using it in fish, stews, soup mixes. I mean, it's going to take me a while to go through this. How to store onions, how to store all kinds of different food, cellar storage. I mean, we've even got plans on making some form of bunker here. Humidity control can be a problem. I mean, they talk about everything. It's quite an amazing book. Ground level, outside, vegetable baskets, in your slope. This is just full of knowledge, is what this is. More plans. So, if you're looking for something, you're into prepping, you're into canning, you're into cooking, go have a look for Stocking Up, you know. Basically, how to preserve the foods you grow naturally. It's written by Carol Hupping Stoner. And go have a look. There is like a new edition. I think I seen second or third edition, but it didn't look like it had as much information as the first edition, as this one did. So like I said, you're going to have to go to eBay and look around and to find this particular book. It's not something I can just give you an Amazon link for and you can go pick up. But when R.B. Lucky showed me this, I was just so impressed by it. I was like, oh my God, that is such a cool book. It has everything. You know, how much you're going to yield in, how much work it takes. Make liver sausage, Italian sausage. I mean, it's got it all. Hot dogs. You want to make hot dogs? It tells you how to make hot dogs. You know, how to cut your meat, how to use your meat. I mean, canning meat. I mean, this thing's got it all, man. That's amazing. So, like I said, go pick it up if you are into prepping or canning or how to prepare your food. And if you can, go hook up with R.B. Lucky, give him a sub, and maybe we can get him to that 1,000. Who knows? Stocking Up is the name of the book. Hardcover. Looks like it's got a little bit of wear and dirt there. It is a used book. Pages are extremely thick in here too. They're not really thin, they're really thick. And I like the writing is quite large too, so you can actually see it, which is kind of nice, so you're not straining with your eyes. Okay, Stocking Up. eBay's the only place I found it. And catch you guys on the next one.